Okay, guys, welcome back to Gospel News. Here we give you update and as you take the go. And another one don't drop for our table here. They say that the Nigerian army is acquiring helicopters to enhance their operations against the Biafra army. While I don't boss out to and he get video when I go play phone, I'm gonna use on our ears. Take here. This person was complaining about the kind of equipment that was being given to them during the time of DOS in action or the management of the Eastern Security Network. They said that the DOS was doing total rubbish by giving pump action to men. Say me then take them, go they fight. Oh, no, now say all these things now what we don't complain about. See how person go carry pump action, go the face person when carry AK-47, person when carry machine gun, person when carry APC, but our people came and attack you. Why must you talk such thing? Who gave you the audacity to ask questions? Why must you ask about it? Why must you say it? Well, how much have you contributed? How much have you done this one? Our people are so gullible that they cannot even reason properly. Our people, when you ask questions, when you tell people to think that this thing where they look here saying a lie, they will not be able to use common sense or their brain to reason properly. But you are going to hear from somebody here who I don't know about, whether not the members of the Biafra Liberation Army or something. When I go use on our ears here. But let's go straight to the reason very quickly. No time to waste time at all. Cha. The Chief of Army Staff, COAS, Lieutenant General Taurid Lagbaja, says the Army is reactivating its air wing to enhance its operations and relieve pressure on. He disclosed this to newsmen Tuesday after addressing participants of Senior Course 46 of the Armed Forces Command and Staff College, AFCSC, Jaji. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that the lecture was on COAS command philosophy and Nigeria's contemporary and emerging security environment. Lagbaja said the army would acquire helicopters to support troops during patrols and operations to dominate all adversaries. He said doing so would make the Nigerian Air Force concentrate more on the delivery of high operational and strategic requirements. And what they tell us, so Biafra army, they say now they bring this thing for in case you go think say they don't go another side Oloriro, so una know how una go take meet them. Lagbaja also said the air wing would enable the army to take care of tactical requirements in terms of air interdictions. The COAS, however, stressed that the Army and Nigerian Air Force would continue to work effectively together to tackle the security challenges in the country. He said it was the global practice in military for the Army to have integral helicopters while leaving strategic demands for the Air Force. When we acquire the helicopters and other platforms, what we intend to achieve is to have organic helicopter formations and units in the field so that when troops are going for patrols, there is a helicopter overhead. The helicopters will provide intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, reports, and air interdiction. For large-scale strategic offensive, we will still rely on the Nigerian Air Force, he added. On his command philosophy, the Chief of Army Staff said sharing his ideas and thoughts with students of the college would enable them to be in tune with the strategic thinking of the Army headquarters. He said that the command philosophy was anchored on transforming the Nigerian Army into a well-trained, equipped, and highly motivated force. Loriro, people will never feel buy kits for their soldiers. Say na this thing on a one prepare give them. Say na world this thing on a one prepare. Nigerian Army soldiers are complaining of not having a single kit. They used to buy their kit by themselves. They used to buy their kit by themselves. No be juju be that one. Does it make any sense? Una don't see. Say we equipped army. Which equipped? Lagbaja said this was necessary to achieve the Army's constitutional responsibilities, working jointly among themselves and with other services. As I am thinking of driving, training, operational and leadership effectiveness and administration to the troops, commanders at all the strata of command would also be thinking alike. Doing so, we can jointly have a better Nigerian army, Lagbaja said. And we say, Lori, raw, all na lie, all na scam. Every day, na so na they tell us, say, on I want go do this one, I want do that one for Nigeria. Now, listen to this particular voice note here. May you hear what we done they talk.
You know, do you imagine on compassion? Go, you may pay granite, yeah? That is now na bicycle. Eh? And it's na free will. Na bicycle. All you be fena na granite to pump action. E will rubber which on. This is a kind of thing you be giving men to go and fight Nigeria. Okay. Shame on these people, I swear. Okay. Shame on these people that call themselves they be DOS. Shame on you people. Shame. In a nekwanya ife men who bunaka na kikwaza. Negodianya. When you are in the movement, you see machines, different machines. Where we say in Nigeria, they see in Nigeria, they ask where these people they carry this kind of thing. They come. Even to join the movement, go they switch you because you get machine where they go carry give you car. Yeah. You don't touch AK-49 before. You don't touch AK-47 before. When you touch steamer, yeah, you touch SMG, yeah, you touch Madison before, yeah. You touch SS before. When you touch this gun, when they tell you, oh, now they can motor you go to offer one name because you safety I call guard. You will AK-47 now, one Tiana rapid. One open one now about me a single. If you like make two they come out, you put them two. Silent one day now fail now. You name me fan a fanya. Eh? You know about all this stretch, you know, back and different because they know sabi shoot. You hear no hands so high as only even no hands say how they shoot, but you see something where they far or Ghana we better. They know they carry that one na normal na legit. If you come you collect. Or something no na anywhere where you dey, Oga will bring you down. You know attack you be you brew pump passion. Pump be emebo. Okay keji agba. Okay keji pump agba. Ndị na-aga nta bi okay keji pump agba. Igi were pump nye m ka nga wee gbagbo mmadụ. Nga wee gbagbo onye bụ AK-49. Onye bụ Chamberlain ki ị na-ebunye m pump ka m bịa gbagbo. Okay. Ọgwọ gị ọ ga-awụ gị n'alụ. Your TJ. Before they make check up boom. Check up boom. 20 bullets I will go now. Once can now go. In a pump, come. In a pump. Come go away now. Pump, can now go. Lazy can now. You know they see what men they carry for hand. It is say now that thing with they carry they bring Nigeria. Now pump with they carry they bring Nigeria down. That be pump. What do they use pump they do? Pump and if one destroy their car, you go put them boom. That one normal. You know they even catch fire like if they get for see they get for 7 or nah. Can you call the mama? If they give person Mark 4, yeah, that one no matter. Mark 4 now be the powerful gun where you may pass AK-47, sir. May pass AK-49. Because that one, if they bring you go carry you up like 4 feet. Carry you up like this, knock you for ground, boom. You know they go anywhere. Now there you go land. You go dey carry pump dey give me make I go dey shoot somebody wey carry almost 10 magazine wey you know dey share. You go say Simon dey do this and that. Simon, if not because of Simon today, but this time oya ọbụla gbachago ọsọ si na ihe a si ni tụọrọ onwe ya. Ị na-ebu pọmpụ enye m ka m ga-anwụọ. Ọgwụ ego ka ị na-agwọ. Ị na-etinye ndụ gị na risk. Abụọkwa na na-enye gị pọmpụ bụ isi nọ granọt sef ya na-achọ granọt achọ. Kịta granọt dị ka mmiri ịga chute mmiri kute granọt oti. Granọt karịrị akarị bọọlụ. Material dị. Ihe eji akwa dị. O juru eju everywhere. If you come, you collect your own. The way you go take sew your clothes. Normal. O dị na-atọ mee n'ụtọ. O nwee ife emenwere. Ife ọ ga-eme na-ebu machine buru ya onye ọbụla na-eti mkpu. O dị na-atọ mee n'ụtọ. See, wetin I pass through that time, I no go pass am again. Show you guys. I no pass am again now. So my people, if I dare, man.
All right, una don hear this man when he dey cut chain, say na since na pump action. Say then they give them leg bearers equipment. We know even some people say they give them gun. Some go carry cutlasses or more. Nobody they take they fight Nigerian army. And this man they talk, he say the kind of equipment we don't land in the camp of the Biafra Liberation Army now. Say even Nigerian army don't they fear upon the matter. Mona let us know what you know the reason. Follow this one, oh, this one tough. No be waiting they go use mouth alone. They talk. Una no go see me. I will see you now for the next one. Remain blessed and God bless you. Thank you.